guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking an early look at the upcoming Air Jordan 4 Taupe Haze. This is the very first Air Jordan 4 to make it on the channel. So you guys know we're going to be coming with some hard fits to show you guys how to style the sneaker. Since this is our second favorite Jordan silhouette, we had to go ahead and pick up this colorway because you don't really see a lot of Air Jordan 4s in this particular color, and it's going to go with a lot of outfits. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Now this box is pretty unique compared to your standard Air Jordan 4 box. It has a speckle print all around the box, and it has this flight logo at the top of the box and this Jumpman logo in infrared. It actually looks exactly like this crackled leather that goes around this mudguard area of the toe box and the back portion of the heel. As far as the other colors on the sneaker, I love this brown suede that they decide to add on the sneaker. It really adds this faded look to the sneaker, and I love this infrared color that they decide to add on the inner portion of the tongue, and really adds like a pop on the sneaker. It's kind of unfortunate that since this is not an OG Air Jordan 4, it doesn't get that Nike Air treatment at the back of the sneaker. Instead it gets a Jumpman logo, which kind of takes away from the design of the sneaker in my opinion. You would think since it has this special theme around it, they would decide to go ahead and add it, but I guess it would look very similar to the Travis Scott Friends and Family Air Jordan 4, so they decided to like not put it on the sneaker. But this one has its own unique features that makes it a little bit different from the Travis Scott sneaker. This one has this cracked leather, which I'm not a fan of because I actually did some research and I learned that this actually wears away to reveal this glitter paint underneath, which I'm not gonna be a fan of, so I'm gonna try to keep it as it is right now. It's kind of unfortunate that this crackle leather reveals like a glitter paint underneath, because it really complements this suede material that they use all around the sneaker. With this brownish olive look, it kind of looks like the undefeated 4s as well, which is going to drive the hype of this sneaker, and it's going to make it damn near impossible for people to cop the sneaker for retail, which is kind of sad because a lot of people, including us, were looking forward to this sneaker as an alternative version of the Travis Scott Friends and Family. We don't even know if that sneaker is actually going to release, so this is a dope sneaker to pick up. This sneaker's release date has changed a couple of times, and I know a lot of people were anticipating this particular colorway because it's going to be a perfect sneaker for that transition period from winter to spring. And usually with Air Jordan 4s, we either go true to size or down to half the size, but with this particular colorway, we decided to go down to half the size because we like the sneaker to fit more snug, and the narrow silhouette of this Air Jordan 4 is really going to make it more comfortable to wear on feet. Well, you can go with your true size because I think it fits the same as any Air Jordan 4. One thing I love about the Air Jordan 4 is the cut. With this mid cut, you can pretty much wear it with any kind of pants. You can wear it with skinnier jeans, baggier kind of jeans like that flared denim that people are going crazy about, or you can wear it with cargo pants, and they'll really accentuate the silhouette and make it look really drip on feet. I'll suggest if you guys are trying to cop it, don't miss out on the release date on the 27th. Guys, leave a comment down below if you guys are going to be going for this sneaker. We're not going to bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. We put together a detail on feet showing you guys how we styled the sneaker. And before we get to the on feet, guys, please guys, go ahead and leave a like on the video right now because it really helps the channel. And please subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we drop a new video. Guys, that like button is very important. It really helps the channel grow and helps the videos get out there. So make sure you go ahead and drop a like, and make sure you leave a comment as well. Tell us which outfit you guys liked in the on feet. And until then, guys, we will see you guys in our next video.